going so fast. Debari sick, came the news at last. What? Debari's not okay. He didn't wash his hands today. Yesterday we played in dirt, rolling mud with hands and shirt. Squish and squish, so much fun. But then he ate without a scrub or a run. Gurgle, gurgle, uh-oh no. Debari's tummy started to blow. Grumble, grumble, rumble, boom. To the bathroom, vroom, vroom, vroom. Now we know what germs can do. Washing hands is good for you. A few days later, Debari was fine. Back at the playground, sliding in line. Swings and dirt and giggles galore. Mud on his face, hands and more. Snack time, Spiny gave a cheer. Out came a sausage bun, oh dear. Wait, said Debari with shiny eyes. Don't eat yet, go sanitize. Let's wash